Tired of project management feeling like herding cats? In this video, we'll tame the chaos and transform you into a Basecamp power user in just a few minutes. First, let's get your account set up. Head over to Basecamp.com and sign up for a free trial. No credit card needed to start. Once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard. This is your central command center. Click the New Project button. Give your project a descriptive name like Website Redesign or Marketing Campaign Spring 2024. Add a brief description of the project's goals to keep everyone on the same page. Now, let's break down the work. Click on the Todos section. Create a new to-do list. For example, design phase. Then, add individual tasks like create website mockups, design logo variations, and finalize color palette. Assign each task to a team member and set a due date to keep things moving. Communication is key. The Messages section is where project discussions happen. Start a new topic to discuss ideas, share updates, or ask questions. Tag relevant team members to bring them into the conversation. Avoid long email chains. Keep everything organized within Basecamp. For quick chats and informal updates, use the Campfire. It's like a team chat room where you can ask quick questions and share real-time updates without cluttering the main messages. Keep everyone on track with the schedule. At important dates, deadlines, and meetings. Integrate with your calendar app for seamless notifications and reminders. Automate progress updates with automatic check-ins. Set up recurring questions like what did you accomplish this week? Or what roadblocks are you facing? Team members can quickly respond, giving you a clear overview of progress without constant pestering. Share important documents and files in the File section. Upload presentations, spreadsheets, design assets, and anything else your team needs. Keep everything organized in folders to avoid version control nightmares. Can't find something? The search function is your best friend. Just type ping keywords to quickly locate messages, files, Todos, or anything else within your projects. And there you have it. A quick tour of Basecamp's core features. With a little practice, you'll be managing projects like a pro. Be sure to check out Basecamp's extensive help documentation for even more advanced tips and tricks. Happy collaborating!